Hi, welcome to my channel. They call me the Black Chef. Today, we're making native jollof rice. Some people call it palm oil jollof. Let me walk you through the ingredients for today's menu. Our first ingredient will be white rice. You can use any rice of your choice, long grain, short grain, basmati, whatever you choose. Diced tomatoes, diced onions, Scotch bonnet, some call it habanero, smoked catfish, smoked prawns, whole onion, red bell pepper, crayfish powder, salt, locust beans, and bouillon seasoning, palm oil, deep fried beef, and pumpkin leaves. The first step for this rice is to make the base, which is a blend of tomatoes, onions, habanero, and tomatoes. At this point, we're going to proceed to cook the tomato blend until the water is completely dry. First thing we got to do is to add our palm oil, let it cook until it gets smoky. After a few minutes, the oil is hot and smoky, so I come in with the onions. Stir it around a little bit. Next, I come in with the tomato blend. Stir that around a little bit also. You gotta do this on a medium heat so you don't burn your ingredients. Let that cook for a few minutes before we go to the next ingredient. Now the tomato mix has been frying for a couple minutes, so we add the rest of the ingredients. The locust beans, the crayfish powder, smoked catfish, and our fried beef. We stir together, let it cook, add our washed rice. We add some water, salt, bouillon powder. We stir it all together and we cover the pot. Right now, our palm oil jollof rice is ready. So what we do next is we add our pumpkin leaves, which most Nigerians call ugu. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we take it off the fire and then we serve. At this point in time, our native jollof is ready, cooked, smells beautiful, ready to serve. Just follow me on this journey. Let's dig in. Hi, thanks for watching. You can follow us on all our social media platforms, African Chef TV, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. Click like and comment. Click the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we post another video. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you again. Bye bye.